For months, foreign investors were pulling money out of India. Now they are suddenly coming back. What has changed? That is exactly what some of the world's biggest investors are asking right now. And by the end of this video, you will understand why global investors are suddenly looking at India differently and why it matters even if you don't invest in stocks directly. Let us start with what happened. For months, foreign investors were selling Indian stocks. But surprisingly, the problem wasn't India. Investors were chasing opportunities elsewhere, especially in United States, where AI related stocks were booming. Money started leaving many emerging markets, including India. But if India wasn't the problem, why are investors returning now? So some global investors believe India have been punished too much. In simple words, they think investors became too negative on India. And when that happens, opportunities start appearing. Now, here is where it gets interesting. India's core story hasn't changed. The economy is still growing, infrastructure spending is still happening, consumption is still rising, and many investors still believe India remains one of the strongest long term growth stories in the world. But there is one more reason. Investors don't compare India with the past, they compare India with every other country where they can put their money. And right now, some global investors believe India looks better than many other alternatives. Which brings us to the final review. Foreign investors are not suddenly becoming emotional about India. They are simply following opportunity. And for the first time in months, many of them believe India is becoming attractive again. So that is why this matters. Because when billions of dollars start changing direction, stock markets, business, and investor sentiment often change with them. If you want biggest money stories explained simple language, subscribe to our channel. Every day, Money Moves. We'll tell you why.